And that is why the Prophet ﷺ, when he came to hear of three men who decided that they will worship Allah in a different way. One of them said, I will pray all night and I will not sleep. And the second said, I will fast and I will never break it. And the third said, I do not marry women. And when the Prophet ﷺ heard of this bid'ah, this innovation, he summoned them. He said, أَنْتُمُ الَّذِينَ قُلْتُمْ كَذَا وَكَذَا. Were you the ones who said such and such? He said, أَمَا وَاللَّهِ إِنِّي لَأَخْشَاكُمْ لِلَّهِ وَأَتْقَاكُمْ لَهُ. I swear by Allah, no one fears Allah Almighty more than me. وَلَكِنِّي أُصَلِّي وَأَرْقُدْ وَأَصُومُ وَأُفْطِرُ وَأَتَزَوَّجُ النِّسَاء فَمَنْ رَغِبَ عَنْ سُنَّتِي فَلَيْسَ مِنِّي. He said, as for me, I pray and I sleep. And I fast and I break it. And I also marry women. So whoever turns away from my way is not to consider himself from one of us. So ittiba', conformity to the prophetic way, is found in the institution of marriage. And we said number 3, tazkiyah, the purification of the soul. And perhaps this is the most obvious. And this is found very obviously in marriage as well. How marriage, la ilaha illallah, closes many of the traps of shaitan and fills the heart from its void and allows the mind to concentrate on other matters of life with the help of a wife or a husband. And that is why Bukhari and Muslim narrate on the authority of Ibn Mas'ud the famous hadith where the Prophet ﷺ said, Ya ma'shar al-shabab, O young men, O young people, من استطاع منكم الباءة فليتزوج. Whoever of you is able to get married must get married. فإنه أغض للبصر وأحصن للفرج. Because it will help you lower your gaze and it will help you protect your private parts. فمن لم يستطع فعليه بالصوم فإنه له وجاء. And whoever is unable to get married, then this person should fast, i.e. a lot of fasting, because this will be his shield.
Those who don't have consciousness of Allah, they won't survive in a marriage. That's why in the khutbah of marriage, 4 times it says ittaqullah or ittaqu rabbakum. 4 times. O you who believe, fear Allah, be conscious of Allah, develop the correct relationship with Allah. Ya ayyuhan nas, O people, ittaqu rabbakum. Be consciousness of your Rabb, be conscious of your Rabb. So all this is part of the preparation to get married. You've developed your relationship with Allah, you have a consciousness of Allah, you fulfill your salah, you ensure that you are a decent Muslim, then you are qualified now to start looking to get married. Many people think, well, this guy's got a good job, this guy is okay, you know, he's mashallah, or she is good looking and so on. Mashallah, mashallah. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gave us guidance in that regard. He says, people marry for several reasons. Some marry because of looks, some marry because of wealth, some marry because of lineage. People marry for different reasons. Some marry because of the deen, because of the religiousness of the person. He says, فَظْفَرْ بِذَاتِ الدِّينِ تَرِبَتْ يَدَاكَ. Be victorious, achieve success by marrying someone who has a deep connection with Allah.